Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an apartment tidy up slash clean with me. I got as much done as I could in this video because, you know, I'll be kids. So in today's video, I'm really going to be focusing on my main parts of my house. Now you may notice that I don't make it into my children's room. And in the last few videos, I've never cleaned my kids' rooms on video because I'm actually in the process of transitioning their rooms. And I want to do a video on like a makeover video. So I have that coming in the near future. I'm just in the process of getting furniture and things like that. So it's going to take a little while, but that video should be coming out soon. But yeah, I'm just going to be cleaning up, tidying up my home. It was a hot mess, so I decided why not record myself doing it. And yeah, so if you enjoy those videos, hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get into the cleaning video.
Right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. I know you wanted some closure. You said you wanna move forward. I know we're not done. I'm thinking about our moments. I know I'm not sober. Can I come closer? I wanna come over. When you leave me like that, girl, don't do me like that. Ooh, when I think about that, I be coming right back on. Girl, don't do me like that, no. Oh, you know what's up? Your favorite lover, just hit me up. I'm coming over. You know what's up? When you leave me like that, your favorite lover do me like that. Ooh, just hit me when I think about that. I'm coming, I'll be coming right back on. You know what's up? Know what's up? Know what's up? Your favorite lover do me like that. No, just hit me up. Oh, I'm coming over. Whoa.
Alright, so here I am cleaning my baseboards. these are the only ones I got to today, but it definitely gave me the want to clean the rest of them. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of stains on my walls. I have been in the same apartment for a very long time. I want to say going on 4 years. So if you guys have any regimens or any ideas on how to get stains off of the walls, that would be great, because it's been a while. They've been on there a long time and I need to get to them. But yeah, so here I am just cleaning my baseboards, and I'm sorry the camera's out of focus. I couldn't help that. But it was so pleasing to clean these. Ugh, they were nasty. Alright, so now I'm making my way into my kitchen, and I'm starting with unloading the dishwasher. I have been trying to figure out a good way to load my dishes so where I can get as many dishes clean as possible, because right now I'm doing my dishes in multiple cycles, which I guess is normal, but still I'm trying to get the most out of my dishwasher, and I cannot figure out a way to put the dishes in there the correct way. But anywho, yeah, so right now I'm just unloading my dishwasher. And I need to go through my cabinets because Lord knows they need some rearranging. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. So here I am pre-washing my dishes. I do this every time I do my dishes before I run them in the dishwasher. I just like to get any kind of the stuck on food or stuff that are big and I feel like the dishwasher won't get it. I trust my dishwasher. I just don't feel like it's the best dishwasher with getting stuck on food off, because I've tried the whole just rinse them and put them in there, but it just doesn't work for me. So I go ahead and pre-wash my dishes, and it just kind of makes me feel better. I guess it's for my comfort level personally. So, but yeah, and I've also had to change of clothes. My baby got spit up literally all over my clothes, so I just went ahead and threw on some comfy clothes for the rest of my cleaning video. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. Right now, I'm just using the Jet Dry, I guess is what it's called. But I want to switch over to more cleaner products. So I've been looking into that Method line. I haven't been able to find any reviews on it. So if you guys have any tips or tricks or anything, ideas of what other clean products for like dishwashing stuff is out there, go ahead and leave them down below. I'm gonna keep doing some research, but I just couldn't figure it out. But right now, Jet Dry is doing the job. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Myself to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me, 'cause tonight we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't a song. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
Alright, so here I am cleaning up my stove. Y'all, this stove is nasty, so that's why I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and knock this out real quick. And it's gross. Right now I use the Method degreaser, and I find that is really a really good degreaser for my stove. I have an electric stove, and I'm not really the biggest on, using really expensive products on this because it gets so dirty so quick. And that Method degreaser is the bomb for my stovetop. Now, when I have my dream home and I get my chef's kitchen with my gas stove, then I'll, invest in some better products. But right now, Method's working. But yeah, my stove was grody. So yeah, here I am cleaning that bad boy up. Judge my laundry situation. I have yet to figure that crap out, but I tend to take the longest for washing my personal laundry, but I keep my kids' clothes clean. That's all that matters. But yeah, I decided to tackle this magnificent, humongous pile of scarves that I have on my shoe shelf. It was gross. Not necessarily gross. I shouldn't say gross, but it was just piled up. It was an eyesore. So that's why I decided to take care of that in this section of the video. I was like, you know what, this is ridiculous. So yeah, I am just putting all these scarves in like a little fold-a-doodle. I don't know what that's called, but I'm just kind of sorting through the clothes that are on top of there. I need to go through my clothes. I don't really have that many clothes, as you can tell. I'm not very much of a fashionista, but I wanted to try to go through my clothes to see what I have, what I don't have, and what I need in the near future. But where I'm trying to lose weight, I don't want to spend a bunch of money on clothes. But yeah, I'm just tackling my closet. It's a hot mess. So that's what I'm doing here. And in a minute, you'll see that I started on my shoes. And that is whew. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. so here I am just ending off my daily cleaning, tidy up video, I guess, with my bed. I try to make it first thing in the morning, but sometimes it just doesn't get to that. But if I make it at some point during the day, that's when I'll really feel productive. I feel like making my bed just really sets off the tone of productivity. So whether it's at 8 a.m. or 4 p.m., as long as I make this bed before I get in it at night, I feel like I've accomplished something, and I cannot be the only one out there like that. But yeah, so I finished off with tidying up my spot, with making my bed. Like I said, my kids' makeover bedroom video will be coming shortly within the next few weeks. I'm super excited for that. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.